Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to do one of the reading enrichment activities. So this activity was made for the kid who likes to color in mind. So it is kind of a coloring activity, but if the kid doesn't like coloring, you can still do this exercise. The point behind it is to have them read a word that follows the pattern, the specific pattern that they're working on. And in this case, it's consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. And then to use that word in the context of a sentence. So that's why I have the exact same word used in a sentence. I want to have them see how that word is used correctly in a sentence. A lot of times what I will notice is that I'll ask students to use this word in a sentence, and they might say something like, Brad was swimming in the pool. And, so I like, okay, but I want them to use the word swam in a pool. So, I'll prompt them and help them, but just to kind of alleviate what I have noticed students do a lot. That was kind of the purpose behind this activity. And the other purpose behind this particular activity was to have it be like not so cognitively overwhelming. It's very simple. There's only four things really that I'm asking them to do. There's a lot of white space. The font is quite large. So it's ideal for someone who is maybe kind of on overload. It's just a kind of short and sweet activity. So you can have them read the word and then read the sentence, read the word, read the sentence, and then you could be done at that point and move on. Or if you want to extend the activity, you could have them read the word and then read the sentence and then ask them some questions like, what do you notice about the B and Brad? And I'm listening for them to say something like, well, it's a capital B. And then I might prompt them with a further question like, why is that capitalized? And hopefully they would say something like, well, because we capitalize the first word in a sentence, or we uppercase the first letter in the first word in a sentence. And then, depending on the child, I might also have a conversation about how that particular word, would be capitalized no matter where we put it because it's a proper noun. But that just really depends on the kid. And then I might also ask them to tell me, what do they see after the word lapse? What is that little punctuation mark? And I'm listening for them to say it's a period. I might ask them, okay, well, why is that important? Why do we have to put that little dot there? And I'm listening for them to say something like, because we have to put an ending mark to signify the end of a sentence. And a period is one of the marks that we could use. And so then that's really kind of it. Then you can have them color in the pictures if they want to, but if I was working with a student who didn't like to color, I wouldn't push it. That's it.